Hello again to one of my video tips. Today I'm talking about the cash-to-cash cycle. The cash-to-cash cycle is one of the main important KPIs when it comes to working capital management. As you can see here in the formula, the cash-to-cash cycle is defined by the days inventory hold, so the days you have a stock in your warehouse, plus the days delay, or the days the customers pay and days sales outstanding, minus, and this is the positive effect, the delay I pay to my suppliers expressed by the days payable outstanding. And of course, the cash-to-cash cycle ideally should be as small as possible. I have brought an Excel spreadsheet where you can simulate with the figures of your company what will be the effect if managers can reduce these days sales outstanding, days payables outstanding. What is the impact to the overall liquidity? I use this tool to work with the managers to make them sensitive for the figures, to show them that even one day earlier payment of customers can make a big impact. So the question is, can we negotiate better conditions? Yes or no, but we can work also on the process. How fast are we to issue an invoice? Or do we have a delay of a couple of days until the invoice is sent to the customer? Or how fast are we when customers do not pay and we undergo the dunning process, a reminder letter or email to the customer? How long does it take? And what is one day worth when it comes to liquidity? Have a look with me into our Excel spreadsheet, which you can download on our homepage, and come with me.